Hey everybody, what do you say we do some air hunting today? So I just pulled up to a remote farm. It's about 2 miles from the dairy, and that's where we'll end up today. This is where I do any chronograph and zeroing work before I head over to the farms where I do most of the shooting. There's a pigeon out there right now sitting on the silo, so we might get a shot on him before we leave. But it is nice out today. It's about 33 degrees. The wind is calm, so I won't be freezing my fingers off. And it's a little bit foggy. So these conditions are normally good for keeping the birds close into the farmyard. So I'll get the impact out, shooting the JSB 15.89 grain pellets today. And the reason for that is because my air tank is low. It's only able to fill my bottle to 180 bar. So that's just, not going to cut it for shooting slugs. I could shoot, but shot count would be really low. I'd be refilling probably after every 5 shots. So I detuned it. I'm going to shoot for 930 feet per second over the chronograph and hopefully get some decent scope cam footage for you today. Most of the shots, if not all of them, will be between 25 and let's say 65 yards. So I'm going to get out there and tackle the preliminaries, and then we're going to commence to some shooting. All right, about to take our first shot. There's 4 pigeons on the silo. And this is further than I wanted to shoot, but it's 81 yards. Ended up with 930 on the chronograph, which it had a 20 feet per second spread, so that's due to, things not quite being right for this gun at the power level it's capable of. You can only detune it so much. So we'll go with 930, and the wind is from our back a little bit, so Straylock said 7 MOA for elevation. So we're just going to hold dead on. Yeah, 4 of them up there. We'll go right for the one on top. And make sure we're leveled out here. Okay, 7 MOA. Oh wow, there were a bunch of pigeons up there. So that pellet drifted to the left. Looks like it got him on the wing. Okay. Gun's really quiet, so they're circling the silo right now. They'll land back up there, and we're going to end up holding 2 MOA for wind on this next shot. Yeah, there's about 20 of them. They must have been on the back side of the silo, couldn't see them. Never did get a second shot at that first farm, so now we're at the other one I spoke of. There's no shortage of pigeons here. Silo's loaded with them right now, so I'll have to grab a range. It should be maybe 55 yards, so should be easy pickings. Still no wind, so we're just going to hold dead on. It looks like they all flew, but that'll give me an opportunity to get set up without spooking them. Yeah, 58 yards. Should be able to get one of these. See, we'll go for that big male. No, he's not going to sit still. It'd help if I cocked it. There he goes. Oh, straight down. Hit hard. Yeah, he went straight down. It looked like it clipped him right in the spine. Yeah, they're all spooked. They're flying around like crazy. Might get another shot here really quick. Oh, here we go. See, I was busy petting the cat and the pigeons flew in. Okay, here we go. One right there. Perfect. Oh. Perfect shot. Oh, a bunch of them just flew out of the barn. All right, that's 2 down. Okay, here we go. Somehow they know. Oh, there's one right on the edge. Smoked him. Oh. Okay. Oh, he's still up there. Oh, just winged that one. He might have went down, but I don't think so. Okay, it'll be another few minutes before they land. Let's go grab the one we shot off the barn roof. Should just be really easy to locate, unless a cat got him. Hey, goats. Yeah, I don't have any food for you, sorry. Oh yeah, there he is right there. All right, well, let me grab this pigeon. Oh yeah. Yeah, the pigeon, it was a through and through, right in one side and out the other. See if any pigeons landed on the silo while we're retrieving this one. Doesn't look like it, but they're flying around and they're heading back. We're gonna be back in business here in a couple minutes. Now that I'm out here in the open, I can feel which direction the wind's coming from. A little bit from the right. You hungry, kitty? Kitty? Gotta be hungry. Get it? I'd like to get one more pigeon before we leave this farm. Might be in luck. Might be in luck here in a minute. Oh, here we go. Oh, holy cripe. Oh, they are really, really skittish right now. Look at that blue bar right there. Straight down. So it's nice when you get an overpopulation of pigeons. Plus it looks like it's mating season. Oh, here comes about 10 more about to land. There we go. That's that straggly one. Perfect. Just pulled up to the dairy. There's a bunch of pigeons flying around. One is on the silo. He looks to be pretty comfortable. I'll have to range it. It looks like probably the same distance as the last farm, maybe around 55 yards. So I should be able to get him easy. Okay.
Oh, right there. There's another one behind it that flew off.
Oh, did it?
Yep.
Oh, look at.
It's not coming back.
Oh.
On the other side of the silo.
Yeah. You might walk right up there though.
Yeah, you dropped that one, and then the other one you kind of circled around, came back on you.
Oh, that's a lot harder shot because he's
I was gonna say that's a headshot.
hiding.
Oh, yep, got him. You seen him roll down in between the silos.
Oh yeah. Made short work of that first pigeon and was lucky to get that second one, but lots of activity around the barn today, so let's take a walk inside and see what kind of birds we have in here. Oh yeah, there's pigeons on the ground, and we should be able to get some birds from inside here. There's lots of sparrows flying around and some pigeons up against the wall on the far side. Yeah, if we can get to the middle without those pigeons seeing us, should be able to get them. They're feeding on the ground. A bunch of starlings over there too. Oh yeah, two pigeons right up against the wall. Okay, got to put this camera away. So one nesting right there. Okay, it's about 50 yards. Let's go for that one there. Oh boy. See if we can get a frontal shot. Perfect. And a house sparrow at 40 yards. Drilled them. Yeah, it looks like one was sitting on a nest. Oh, and they just landed back on the ground out there. It's exactly what the farmer does not want, is the pigeons to establish a foothold in here again. So we'll get back on that gate and see if we can pick one off out there on the ground. This is the spot where I rest the rifle, but I have to make sure the cows don't walk right in front of me, because they walk from there right through the middle and on the other side. busy in the barn. Got 2 pigeons on the ground on the far end, and as I was walking out of this end, I noticed a couple of them sitting there. Got one, and I think, well, the rest did fly, but I think they flew to the roof of that little barn. Either that or the silo. Hopefully someplace where I can shoot them. See if I can get over to this tractor. Oh geez, there's 8 pigeons sitting up there. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to shoot right from here, just like this. I'm gonna call that 50 yards. Look at that. The trees full of starlings there. Okay, so this is 85 yards. I'm gonna hold 4 on the reticle. Got him. That starling didn't stand a chance sitting on a pole like that at 40 yards. Smoked him. House sparrow. Oh. Okay, ready? This dog doesn't give up. Okay. Ready? Get it. Okay, that's about 80 yards. Oh, perfect. And with that shot, I'm going to call it a day. This dog is driving me nuts. Yeah, that starling was sitting right on the top of that tree in the middle of the screen. 4 MOA on the reticle at 10x is 8 altogether, and it's probably not going to get much better than that. So we're going to head home. Hope you enjoyed the video.